Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be unboxing the OnePlus N200 5G. It's supposed to be a good phone. Let's see. Like I said, I only paid $240 for this phone last night on Amazon. It's a really good price for a 5G phone. And OnePlus, guys, is one of the best brand on phones. So I don't know if you know OnePlus, but honestly, they make really good phone. So let's put this phone to the side. First of all, let's see what we have in the box. Paperwork, the SIM card injection tool, lightning cable type C, and the fast charging adapter. Alright guys, now let's take a look at the baby. Let me remove this plastic. Wow guys, you need to sit down. We need to take a look at this phone really carefully, slowly, serious, because this is another level. As you can see the back of the phone, if you move the phone around, if you have a lot of light though, around you're gonna see like 3 different colors on the back. We have right here like white, gray, green, dark blue. This is just amazing. I love the back of this phone. I also love the 3 camera setup, the flash and all that. It has a pretty clean design. On the right side we are only getting the power button with the fingerprint sensor. On the top, we only got the canceling mic. On the left side, we are getting the SIM card tray. We have the volume up and volume down. It looks really clean also on this side because, as you can see, the volume down and volume up buttons are not that big. On the bottom, we have the 3.5 headphone jack, the main microphone, the Type-C charging port, and the speaker. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up this phone pretty quick to show you all the specifications, how it looks, the system and all that. So just give me like 25 seconds, I'll be back. And 45 seconds later, the phone is already set up. As soon as I open the screen, I noticed that I have one of the best screens on my hand right now for a phone that only costs $240. We are getting an IPS LCD 649 inches 1080 by 2400. It already has Android 11 and the Snapdragon 480 processor, the CPU octa-core, GPU Adreno 619. Something that I don't like about this phone so far is just the internal storage and the RAM capacity. I don't know what happened OnePlus, but they should have this phone on different capacity, internal storage and memory RAM. So if you wanna buy this phone right now, you only can buy this phone with 64 gigs internal storage and 4 gigs of RAM. Okay, that you can put if you want a memory card, but it's not the same. So you can put a memory card up to 256 gigs, but what about the memory RAM? It's not expandable, you know what I mean? So if you are trying to buy this phone to play games, or you wanna buy this phone to do or to use any app that require a lot of capacity from the phone, this phone right now, let me say this phone is not good for you. You know what I mean? Because with the same price, you can buy another phone that actually have more capacity than this one. When you buy a phone that only has 4 gigs of RAM, you know that you're only gonna be playing around with 2 gigs because the whole system gonna use 2 gigs plus all the apps that you're gonna have on your phone in the future. So basically, I don't like that. That's the only point right now at this moment so far that I don't like about this phone. Internal storage and the memory RAM. Now let's talk about the cameras on this phone. As you can see on the back of this phone, we are getting an amazing 3 camera system. The main camera 13 MP and the other 2 cameras macro and depth 2 MP. You are allowed to make video at 1080p 30 frames per second. And the selfie camera 16 MP and you can make video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. And that's not all guys, you are also getting a really nice battery on this phone. So we are talking about 5000 mAh battery, plus the phone is compatible with 18-watt charging adapter. So that's pretty good. Now let's walk through the settings to see how fast this phone opens the apps and the settings. So let me go ahead and click on settings. As you can see, it was really fast. It looked different though. I think you can change it the way it looks. So let me open some apps, Messenger apps. That's the first time guys, you should think a little bit before open any app because it's the first time. Now if I open the Messages app, it was faster, you see? Even if I close the whole app, it was a lot faster. So right now I can say that this phone is working perfect because the phone is brand new. I don't know after 2 weeks how this phone is gonna be reacting. So if you want me to make another review video, after 2 weeks, after a month, just let me know on the comment, okay? I will be happy to make another video to let you know if this phone is keeping the speed and all that. And guys, I love this phone. If I go to settings, let me see something. Now scroll down, let me go ahead and click on security and lock screen. Then let me go ahead and click on face unlock. Okay, this phone has the, the fingerprint sensor plus the face unlock action. So basically, this phone has all the lock features that you can find on any phone. I love that. I love face unlock. I love that feature. I use iPhone though, but it's something that I recommend anybody, before buying any phone, just make sure it has a face unlock, because honestly, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to open your screen even when you have your hands wet. And that's it for today, guys. If you got any question about this phone, please just let me know in the comment. And if you like this video, just please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video. See you next time.